Good morning, Monday morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. This video is about weather, so I'll show you amazing, beautiful morning weather here. 10:30, 26 degrees, expecting 27, 8, maybe 9, we will see. Still Kalima here a little bit. Because the sky is not clear, perfectly clear. See Teide, it's like a little fog. We are YouTubers, hello.
Hello.
Where are you from, tell me?
Romania.
Romania. I know only one word from your language. Dragoste.
Yeah. Nice.
There's something special. Again this morning. The fountain is working, so let's go closer to see the fountain. Like somewhere in Geneva. Lago Martianes. Our lovely friend Brigitta is walking El Niño this morning. Charge your batteries with our sun. So happy Monday to all of you. Greetings and best wishes from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Danke für Spaziergang. This is special because El Niño likes plátano. Good boy. More. Give me more.